What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Fast Mod Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to use this. Do that. Enjoy. Guys, this literally has to be the easiest and cheapest mod you can do to your Ford Fusion. And I honestly hate the fact that the Fusion's trunk only opens a few inches. All it takes is a small spring from your hardware shop and a flathead screwdriver, and you can make this trunk lift completely up to the top. Let's hop into it. Guys, there's a couple screws as well as a couple little clips. You're just gonna have to pop them out. That's gonna remove the interior panel on the passenger side of the car, and that'll allow you to get to the torsion bar bracket where we're gonna hook up one end of the spring, and the other side is just underneath the the trunk body of it. It's super simple. I'll walk you right through it. Your first step's gonna be to take off these two screws, one up here and one down here. There you are. So your next step is to remove this clip here. All you gotta do is use your flathead screwdriver, stick the screwdriver in and pop it down. The little teeth will let go and you can pick it off. Super simple. Now, there's one down below on the trunk lip as well as on the driver's side, there's also one. So there's the clip, that's gonna be loose, which means that we can remove the side paneling on the trunk. Now that the clips are off, all you need to do is just reach your hand on the side of this trunk lip, pull up, just give it a little tug here and there. They got little pressure clips holding it in. I did the driver's side, so now it's off. So you can see on there, those little pressure clips that kind of hold it in, and those other little clips are just in here. Move that out of the way, and on to the next step. Now the next step is just to remove this trunk liner. Let's push that out of the way. Push it right out of there. Now that you got tons of room to work on, you can actually see there's the torsion bar, goes across to the other side, the driver's side of the trunk. You see a hole right here. You see a little bracket right here. That's all you're attaching the trunk spring to, okay? I spread this open a little more so you can actually get a bit of a grip, and then after it's on, you can use a pair of pliers, close it, or try to close it with your hand. It's spring steel, so you can kind of use a little strength and do that, right? So then take one side of the spring, go under here, attach it to the little hole. You see that? Now we're hooked on that side. Make sure it's in there good. Okay, and then take the other side, pull it. There you go. Now the springs I got a little more pliable, so you can actually adjust these, trim these as you need. And if the hole for yours is slightly further back or slightly forward, that's up to you. But basically all you gotta do is shorten this portion and then make a hook at the end in order for it to create more tension. I'll show you what it looks like. There you go, like you don't even see it. All right, let's close it up. Press the button. Presto changeo, there you go. Thanks for watching another episode of Fast Mod Friday. Guys, I know that you're gonna love what we have in store for season 2. Thanks so much for your support. And if you haven't, but you want to, hit that subscribe button. And remember, do what moves you.